Welcome and congratulations to the winners of the SilverZone Olympiad. In this video, we will learn how to use the SilverZone gift certificate coupon. This certificate contains a coupon code that can be used on the purchase of physical or ebooks. There are two ways to use the gift certificate. 1. From the SilverZone registration portal. 2. From the book purchasing portal. Option 1. Using the gift certificate at the SilverZone registration portal. Visit r.silverzone.org and enter your details to register. Once you have filled in all the details, you will get the option to select your desired subject for the Olympiad. Upon selecting your subject, you will be prompted to buy the books for better preparation for SilverZone Olympiads. Click the next button to continue. Click on the Have a Coupon link and apply your coupon. An OTP will be sent to your email address to verify the validity of your coupon. Apply the OTP and press confirm. Your winning amount will be adjusted against your book order. Complete your payment through the payment gateway. An order confirmation mail will be sent to your registered email address. Option 2. Using the gift certificate at the book purchasing portal. Visit silverzone.org/buybooks and select either of the two options, printed and ebooks. On the selection page, you can filter your desired book with the help of the above options. To select a book, click on the Buy Book or Add to Cart button below the book. This will add the book to your cart. Once you have selected your books, visit your cart by clicking on the item menu above. On the checkout menu, you will find the Have a Coupon link. Apply a coupon by clicking on the link. An OTP will be sent to your email address to verify the validity of your coupon. Apply the OTP and press confirm. Your winning amount will be adjusted against your book order. Complete your payment through the payment gateway if applicable. An order confirmation mail will be sent to your registered email address. For any queries, feel free to contact us at info@silverzone.org with your enrollment number and the coupon code. Subscribe to SilverZone Foundation for the latest information.